Hello, I'm Phil Ernest in Venice Beach, California. This is the best time to visit Venice Beach. It has been fully renovated and cleaned up. In this video, I will show you Venice Beach from daylight to after sunset. When one thinks of Venice Beach, the first thing they probably think of is Muscle Beach, and the gym at Muscle Beach itself has been fully renovated, painted and cleaned up, and ready to go. And behind the gym, you'll find the basketball courts that were in the movie White Man Can't Jump, as well as other movies. And next to the basketball courts, the handball courts are ready to play handball in. If you're finding this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And see that logo on the lower right-hand corner of the screen? Please hit that to subscribe to the channel. The restrooms have been thoroughly sanitized and clean for your protection. One of the unique things about Venice Beach is it has its own police station right on the beach. Venice Beach is also big on the arts. This is an artwork that was constructed several years ago. Speaking about artwork, they have their own graffiti wall where people come to practice their skills of being a graffiti artist. Another cool thing about Venice Beach is the street entertainers who come to Venice Beach to perform and show their skills. And then there's the milk crate challenge, as this young man properly demonstrates how to do it. If you are a skater, you'll find plenty of room to roller skate. For the novice and for the more experienced, they have the ramps as well. These guys are phenomenal. Check them out. And then there's the Venice Boardwalk with its vendors and shops selling their goods along the way. Notice how the Venice Beach Boardwalk is clean and cleared from anything you may have seen or heard of in the past. On the boardwalk, the businesses are pretty creative. Here, an elephant has an ice cream in his mouth. And this building is painted like the sky with the clouds with a large mural on the side of it. On the boardwalk, it's not just all about shopping. You can also rent a bike, get a massage, or even a tattoo. And after you've worked up an appetite doing all of that, you'll find plenty of places to satisfy your hunger at. Now that the sun starts to set upon Venice Beach, the buildings take on a different look with the light from the golden hour. As the sun starts to slowly sink behind the Malibu Mountains, the beach has a very peaceful look. Now that the sun has set, the surfers start to make their way to shore as the people turn around and start heading on home. It's now time for the blue hour to take effect as the lights are now turned on the boardwalk. For whatever reason, by the time the lights come on the boardwalk, people have pretty much thinned out and left. So now I will show you what Venice Beach looks like with the lights turned on. If you would like to see my other videos on things to do in the Southern California area, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.